Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, we are going to make a program which display the element of the stack without using built-in function. Okay, so I'm going to open online Java compiler. You do open the same, or you can open the Visual Studio Code, which is offline compiler. Okay, so where you can do practice with myself so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn in a better way. Okay, so I'm going to open it, so you do practice with me. It is my kindly request to you. Okay, so I'm going to, I have already searched, so it is in the top of the search box, so I'm going to directly open it. Okay, it is opening. So actually this is the next video of the stack series. We are making the complete playlist for the what all topic of the DS. Okay, so this is the next video of the stack playlist. Okay, so in this video we are actually doing what, without using built-in function we are going to display the element of the stack. Means we are going to learn how internal function is working of the stack. Okay, so I'm going to import it first from the util package of the Java, uh, and I'm going to also import a scanner class for taking user input. Okay, so you write please, and then you can learn in a better way. Okay, so I'm going to write it, import java dot util dot scanner, import java dot util dot stack. Now I need to write here object of these two classes. Okay, so I need to write here scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. I need to write here stack integer is equal to integer st is equals to new stack, and then this one. Then I need to write here what, enter size of the stack. I need to write it st dot next int. Then I need to write again this line, and I am going to edit this line. Enter enter n n element
छन्नी में डाला तो कोई नहीं
of
टिकेगा।
the
ऐसे कायर
stack.
लोगों को
So
ही
I
तो
am
ये खेल
going to
चलेगा।
take it using for loop int
हाँ साहब,
I is equals
आपने
to
सही
0 and
कहा।
I is less
हम
than equal
कायर
less
थे,
than n
ताकत
and
नहीं
I
थी,
plus, then I need to
भरोसा
write here
भी नहीं था।
int
मौत
x
हमारे सर पे
is equals to
मंडरा रही
sc
थी,
dot
लेकिन जब
next
उसने
int
कालिस्तान के सामने उस राक्षस का सर धड़ चालक
int,
किया था,
then I need to enter it.
दिन
I
बहुत
need to
सालों बाद हम
insert
मौत के
this
दर पर
x,
नाचे।
means each element of the for loop in the st stack. So I need to write here
एक
st
हवा
dot push
पैदा हुई साहब,
x.
उस
We
हवा ने
were doing
जरा जी के
previously
हरे को
system
काटने दे दी। एक सलाह
system
देता हूँ, आप उसके
dot
खिलाफ
out dot
जाने की जरूरत
println.
मत करना साहब।
What we are printing? st. This is the original stack. Okay, so I'm going to run it first, then I will write another logic. Okay, for displaying the stack of element. Okay, so I need to write here 5. It's not working. Why it is not working? It will work, bro. Don't worry. My code is perfectly working. Perfect. And I need to write. Remove this. Five I need to enter. I am going to enter 5 elements: 7, 8, 6, 2, 4, 3 and 2, 5. So this is the original stack. Okay, I am going to print 7, 8, 6, 2, 4 without using this line. This is the built-in function. Okay, system.out println. This is the built-in in the compiler of Java. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and I'm going to write again. So I need to write a loop. So I need to write while st dot empty is there. Till now you have to. So firstly I need to make auxiliary stack, that is RT. Control V. I need to write here RT R. Okay, it is not becoming till empty. You need to RT dot push and st dot pop. You have to doing this. Okay, if it is done, it will print reverse of the stack. It will print system dot out dot println. Will print what? It will print reverse of the original stack. Okay, it will print reverse. If I remove this, then you will see okay. I am going to enter again, then I will write logic for the what? Displaying without using built-in function, that is out, means system.out.println. So I need to enter here 5. I am entering 8, 5, 2, 3, 6, means 5 element. I am entering. Original stack is 8, 5, 2, 3, 6 and reverse of the original stack 6, 3, 2, 5, 8. Okay. So I am going to write logic for the displaying the element of the stack without using system.out.println, means built-in function. Okay, so I am going to write just what I am doing here. I am just copying the element from the original stack into the auxiliary stack in reverse order. Then I am just then I will just doing pop from auxiliary to and pop from auxiliary and before inserting the original stack, we are going to print that element. Okay, this is the way I am going to writing the logic. Okay, So I need to write here while, okay, till if what, uh, rt dot empty, till you have to doing what, int x is equals to rt dot pop, and then you need to doing what, x is equals to rt dot pop, and you need to print first system dot out dot println and x plus one space in the two element, okay, and then you need to st dot push what, x. This is the restoring actually, restoring the element, restoring the original stack, okay. And if you print this reverse of the stack rt, and this one will, this is the logic for what, control C and control V should be. Here I need to write what, I need to write displaying stack element without using int function, okay. It will print this, okay, and then I need to write here what, system dot out dot println, and then I need to remove this all, restoring. Here we are doing restoring the original stack, restoring original stack, after restoring the original stack. Now st is what, st, okay. I need to run it. Expected comment. Where is there? 22. In 22, here I need to write.
He is the biggest criminal. He is the biggest businessman. This is the biggest national issue.
I think it's done. It's correct. Now I'm done. Okay, I'm entering 5. and enter 5 element of the stack, and then I need to enter 5, 8, 9, 6, 3. Original stack is 5, 8, 9, 6, 3. That is this one. Sorry, that is this one. Okay, reverse of the original stack is this one. Okay, and displaying a stack element without using built-in function, this one. And after restoring, means I have not put ln here, so that's why it is showing. Now it will look clearly. 5 I need to enter here. I need to write 7, 8, 9, 5, 3 and 2, 5. Or done. I need to remove this ln, and I need to write 1. Control V here I need to write, and I need to remove it all. Now it will look clear.
Hi, I am Jimmy Carter. I am the CEO of
And I
Delaware
need to write
Steel,
here
Texas.
5.
Same. I am also CEO.
Oh,
7.
wonderful. Which one?
8, 5, 2,
India.
2, 6, 0, 5, 3, and 9, 3. 3 and 2, 5. This is the original stack, and this is the reverse of the stack. Sorry, this is the reverse of the stack. Okay, and this is the displaying a stack element without using built-in function. Okay, and then after we are doing restoring the what original stack element. Okay, so this is the code, guys. You can see here clearly. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a nice day, and do coding, and keep learning. Okay, and be with me. I will solve here every topic and every problem that is famous in the DSA. I will solve everything here, and you can get it. And if not, then just comment it. I will make video on that. Okay, and do not worry. I am here to help. So thank you everyone, and bye.